What's up guys, Dr. Drew here, back on the channel. Thanks for following us. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Today I'm here with Isaiah. He is a high school football athlete. He came in over the weekend. He banged up his lower back, got in a big collision and is suffering from that right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through his typical workup. Once we do that, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, hit those views, hit those comments, anything you guys wanna see, but make sure you like this video, all right? First thing we're gonna do is adjust his lower to mid back here. Deep breath in, all the way out. Awesome, good. Relax this left shoulder. Awesome, good. Relax your other one. Good. All right, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna adjust his lower back. Left side down, face me. Good. When's your next game?
This Thursday.
Good, just relax your core. Good, other side. I like your shorts.
Baby.
Good. Good. On your back. All right, we're gonna get his neck adjusted here. Good. Turn your head to the right. Awesome. Come on up. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Appreciate it. If you guys have any questions or you're a college or high school athlete, make sure you hit us up. If we can help you, we're here to do that. Boom.